dog.
River dogs with 2 G's.
Yeah.
River dogs with 2 G's.
Well, I'll look you up here in about 12 years. I'll say, hey man, don't buy the 404, buy the 416, man. But then you done had a couple of 404s.
Would you leave that cooler open?
No.
There's like no ice left. Put it in a plastic bag. Into one of them plastic bags. Drunken bastard.
Not yet.
You hungry?
Drinking the shit out of beer on the current, waiting for our fucking friends.
Hurry up, motherfucker, hurry up!
God darn it. We're ready to get on down this river. Here it is, Tuesday night? It's Tuesday night. And here come Friday. We gotta paddle up this cocksucker to meet our buddies. And then we're gonna float back down to this spot right here. I'm gonna leave this tent set up. Claim our spot.
Life is good! That's the best motto we picked up from the Missouri River. Kenny.
Straight from Kenny.
They do have the best sunset on the Missouri River.
You know that fuck Kenny?
You know,
He's probably thinking.
he's laid back. They bring in his beard. They pick up his campsite so they can collect all the aluminum cans. Hey, let's barbecue. I brought some burgers. Right on. Hey, River Dogs, you want some of these?
Yeah, my autofocus is freaking smooth out. I better turn it off a little bit. Ow! Motherfucker just bit me. Look at that fire. That fire's the shit.
Tear some food up.
Now that's a fire. Right there. Jared and I can't see him, it's dark.
Life is still good.
It's still good. 30 pack a day. What's that?
They're kicking tonight. The moon ain't up yet.
Well, I'm waiting for this fucking camera to focus. Autofocus my ass. Sony, you suck. Panasonic. There you go. Panasonic, you're right. Yep, nice little file. Nice little fire on the current river.
Ready?
I'm ready as a damn whore.
With a man with a fistful of dollars. Fuck it, dude.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
30 pack a day keeps us at bay. Waiting for our friends to fucking pay.
I'm cooking something.
Shit, man, I got...
It might be that coon. He comes back tonight.
Well, let's just hunt this coon.
I'm looking for some eyeballs.
No, you ain't gonna see him. We gotta walk off and he'll boldly fucking stomp on up here. He's the boldest fucking coon I ever seen in my life. Alright, turn it off.
Thanks for the Pringles, Mom.
There's Jared eating.
Junk food.
You know, I love a campfire. There is nothing like a campfire. You cannot film enough of these damn fires, really. I just film them all night long. And it's the best thing you get on film. Brought to you by Budweiser. Coleman and Old Town Canoe.
Brought to you by Fill in the Blank.
Brought to you by two fucking broke motherfuckers.
The truth.
Yeah.
Talk about screensaver.
There you go. Save that.
Somebody's gotta feel this.
Alright, turn it off.